So hey guys, it's our day 2 in Alberta. Yeah, we're going to Kananaskis. We honestly don't know a lot of things to do there, but yeah, Google lang, and we'll see what we'll do. We'll discover it together. So yeah, see you later. So for our first stop, breakfast at Boggs's favorites place. But yeah, it will probably be the only stop unless they need gas. Okay. Yum. Sarap yan.
Onto Highway 40 South and Kananaskis Trail toward Kananaskis Country.
Oh, so pretty. So we're going down from, we went down from that top road here by the lake, and we'll feel the water. We just didn't bring her swim clothes, but yeah, we'll try to dip our feet in, feel the water.
So cold.
Set up.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's very slippery too.
Oh,
I just said that.
oh, this is so
Very
nice.
slippery by the way, be careful. She almost slipped.
Look at mom, she's struggling over there.
Ang lamig sobra. Ayoko nito. Ayun o, pababa.
The water is actually super cold, but it felt so nice. And yeah, look, now the parentals are trying to go up. Let's see. So after the barrier lake, we decided to check what Kananaskis village looks like. Kung anong meron doon. But unfortunately, as per the forecast, there is a scattered thunderstorm. So we were stuck dun sa parang store nila. And yeah, we were stuck for like an hour maybe. And at this point, we were just planning what to do next. So the rain stopped. We're just gonna walk around the village for now. I guess we're gonna have to cancel today's hiking trip because it's pouring rain. Ah, since sabi naman sa forecast it's a scattered thunderstorm, we decided to go to another place, and that is the suspension bridge. So you'll see in a little bit.
Don't stop daw sabi, di ba?
But, you how?
Daanan mo na lang siya. Iisig, ito mo sila, oh. Nangahabol nga siya.
Wala ka tail.
We made it to the bridge.
You're so out of shape. Dito ka sa gitna mo.
Sige, you can go. Come on, let's go.
No,
Oh my gosh. Mom's always been afraid of heights, so seeing her walk or cross the bridge alone made us so proud. Hindi na siya takot. Good job, Mom.
And so we made it here. We're going back. Bakit takot-takot ka rin pala, Ali? Ano?
Oh, you were scared.
Kaya nga.
Tubig naman yun eh. Pag dyan nalaglag ka.
Ganda-ganda kaya tumawid. Pero mo yung bata tumakbo pa.
Exactly.
Malapit na daw kasi doon eh.
Since it was getting late, we decided to drive back and we just stopped by this overlooking view to take some photos and yeah. Sobrang ganda talaga ng mga mountains and di ka magsasawang tignan sila. They're so relaxing. So yeah, yun lang. We also decided to have a quick stop sa Peace Bridge, Calgary, and yeah, just took some photos, walking, and nag-rest lang for a bit. Then for dinner, we decided to go to Point Sushi, the bullet train place thingy. So yeah, order ka sa iPad and then it'll be served by the train. So then after dinner, we drove back to Edmonton. It was 2+ hours drive and yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!